tornado's coming. It's code red. You know what that means? I think it's serious.
Tornado? Deadly spirals of wind really freaked me out.
All right, Coach Gurley, calm down.
I can't die yet. There's so much I haven't experienced.
I bet I know one thing you haven't experienced.
Tornadoes get a bad rap, man. Not like the Wizard of Oz. We're the midgets. Bet I got benched like 10 midgets.
All right, look at all this stuff you confiscated. Mine. Mine. Ooh la la, mine now.
Why am I not Snow Queen? For the last 2 weeks, I was nice to everybody. Well, maybe not the AV Club, but I mean, come on.
Jackie, you can't just be nice for 2 weeks. You have to be nice all the time. Or very handsome. Oh, my banana nose! I thought this was going forever. It's still funny.
Maybe Donna was right. Maybe being popular isn't as important as being nice to people. I mean, I know that sounds wrong, but anything's possible.
Hey, Jackie, whatever makes you feel better about being a loser. Hey, watch the banana nose.
Hey, when it's all over, you think we'll still be friends?
Well, my head says no, but my heart says no. So, no. Wonder what Don and Foreman are doing right now.
This is the best tornado ever.
I know. And who better to be stuck here with than America's most beloved rock band, ladies and gentlemen, Aerosmith!
Hey, as rock legends, we've had some pretty good times. But it doesn't get any better than this. Hello, Wisconsin!
Yeah, I dig this joint too. Hello, Wisconsin.
That was your Aerosmith? You're bad at that. Steven Tyler is way cooler, and Joe Perry is so dreamy. God, you're bad at that.
What? That was dead on, right, guys? I bought it. Wah! You, really think I'm dreamy?
Whoa. The station manager stuff is way better than ours.